Welcome back. BJP is likely to announce Narendra Modi as its prime ministerial candidate on Friday, despite staunch opposition from the party patriarch Lalkrishna Advani. Advani is adamant on the stand that the announcement can come after the assembly elections of 5 states scheduled in November. Advani had earlier submitted resignations from all party posts following announcement of Modi as campaign chief during BJP's national executive in Goa. BJP President Rajnath Singh will likely announce its candidate for the prime ministerial post on Friday. Rajnath Singh held a round of negotiations with Lalkrishna Advani on Thursday too. The parliamentary board is scheduled to meet on Friday. Rajnath Singh says all is well within the BJP.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी में कहीं पर कोई विवाद नहीं है। नहीं, कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बस इतना ही मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
तो क्या ये ऐलान जल्द होगा सर?
अब आप प्रतीक्षा करिए, देखिए।
We tried to take on board everybody, and our national president is trying his best, and I don't think there will be any problem in the next 3, 4 days, 5 days, whatever, I don't know, when the parliamentary board will take a decision, but very soon the decision will be taken in favor of Narendra Modi.
Lalkrishna Advani had quit all the party posts when Modi was declared the campaign in charge in Goa in June. He had sent his resignation to the party president. The situation isn't different this time too. Advani claims that Modi's announcement will be a political disaster.
Advani claims that Modi's announcement will be a political disaster.
Rajnath Singh has made his mind clear to the party colleagues and is ready for announcement. But it would be interesting to see what stand Advani and Sushma would take if Modi is declared the prime ministerial candidate. Bureau Report, Prudent. Police and representatives of Ganesh Mandals have unanimously stated that educated people create more problems while implementing necessary security measures. They said it is the educated lot that takes objection to frisking and checking for security purpose. They were speaking during Prudent's weekly program, The Debate.
अशिक्षित लोक असा पळयतो मातसो भियेता पुलिशेक अरे पुलीस आसा त्या म्हाका कितें हांव बेश्टो आजनेर करूंक करना सुशिक्षीत लोक न्ही जास्त शाणपणां करूंक वयता जास्त आर्ग्युमेंट घालतात म्हणजे सुशिक्षित लोकांचो न्ही जास्त त्रास आसता
जास्त त्रास सुशिक्षित
लोकांना आसता
सर आपका भी यही एक्सपीरियंस है
I mean see our behavior same person who's here he would like to oppose so many things which we have been talking about the same person that he moves out of this country right. And if there are basic things which he has to observe he will think twice violating them. Why? So it's a question of attitude, you know.
गेली गोंयकारांची तूं आता हात लावपी कोण तूं म्हाका फ्रीज करपी कोण हो एटिट्यूड हे परवडटा आमकां
न्ही हे परवडूंक शकना कित्याक आमी फुडें कितें जातलें ताचो विचार करपाक जाय.
Are you seeing that alertness among Goans? What is your experience? Or we are too casual?
You see, I'll tell you, I will not like to offend the sensibility of
no, this is not,
anybody.
This is definitely
yes.
not offend. This is something
yes, but
that a police officer should tell us very strongly.
I'm saying that we do need to have a more healthy attitude towards our security. Because most of the time we think that probably this is someone else's responsibility. We don't bring in ourselves.
Wreck of River Princess ship still lies underwater at Kandali. The government has asked the Arihant ship breakers to clear the remaining wreck of the ship. NIO has reported that the wreck of the ship is remaining at Kandali beach. Government has still not cleared the payment of the agency. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar informed that the agency will commence its work from 15th October and complete the work within 4 months. Lalkrishna Advani reports.
त्याची सगळे फॉर्मॅलिटी जाल्ली आसा जरी या थोडोसो राफ आसा म्हणून उरला साधारणचे ऑक्टोबराचे 15 तारखेर आमी ऑफिशियली लेटर हरियन कंपनीक दितले आणि त्याच्या नंतर एक 4 महिन्या भितर त्यांच्यानी काडप अशें म्हणून हे फायनल जातले. सो केन्ना तरी फुडल्या दिसांनी आपल्या ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत ताका काडपाक आमी ऑर्डर दितले. जो भाग उरला अशें म्हणजे आमकां NIO कडल्यान जे इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळा जे काय रिपोर्ट आयल्या ते तेज्या प्रमाणे ते कंप्लीट काडप हे हरिहन कंपनीचे कर्तव्य आसा आणि त्याच्या प्रमाणे आमी ते काडपाक ताका लायतले.
The agricultural scientists along with the farmers are on a mission to rejuvenate the plantation of Bhusa variety of basmati rice in Goa. But absence of rice mill in the state discourages farmers from undertaking plantation of Bhusa variety of basmati rice, which has a high export value. Farmers are now demanding a rice mill in the state.
India Council for Agriculture Research has been working with the farmers in Taligaon village to shift the paddy plantation from normal to Bhusa variety of basmati rice, which has a high export value. The results of the cultivation are good, but the state still does not have a milling facility for this rice. This has been discouraging the farmers. Farmers are forced to visit Karnataka to mill the rice.
Basmati rice जाल्या 3 वर्सां रोयता पण आमकां हांगा मिल ना. मिल ना म्हणटा आमकां ते पर्रा नाल्यार बेळगांव व्हरचें पडटा. आसा हांगा पण ते भाशेन रायस आमचें जायना. जे आमकां पळय विकतें मेळटा हेचेर शॉपांचेर ते भाशेन आमकां ते मेळना.
पण ते म्हाका हिंगा मिल ना. हिंगा मोडोंक लागले सगळे तांदूळ कतरले मोडोंक लागले. पण ते हांवें म्हाका रामनगर वचचें पडलें. हांवें म्हणलें कितें आमकां तर गव्हर्मेंटान सपोर्ट केलो. एक मिल आमकां बरी आमकां हाडून दिली गोंयान की बासमती रोया वो तुमी आनी कसले हें रोया भात ते जातले म्हण गॅरंटी दीत आमी सगळे जाण बासमती वो आनी कितेंय रोवंक शकता.
पुसा म्हणटा पळय तें बासमती वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट क्वॉलिटी इन द वर्ल्ड. आनी जेन्ना तें हांवें घातला तेन्ना इतली उमेद जाली म्हाका ती किल्लोन येयलें आनी मागीर रिप्लांटेशन करता तेन्ना दिश्टी पडटा की बरे भाशेन जालां.
This variety developed by Indian Agriculture Research Institute was initially tried by the farmers in the coastal states sometimes in 1990s. The results were good, but state lacked the facility to mill the rice.
इकॉनॉमिक्स जशी आमी पळयतले जाल्यार हें भात जर तुमी बरे भशेन गिरणीर काडत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना की 65-70 रुपयाच्या सकयल हे तांदूळ खंयच्याय मार्केटान व्हरपाक जाता. आनी हो पोटेन्शियल आसा पुणून आमचे कडेन सद्या त्यो गिरणी ना ताका लागून शेतकार फाटीं सरतात. आनी आमचे सेंटरान सुद्दां आतां बासमतीचें प्रमोशन म्हणजे आमी चड ताजेर भर दिना कित्याक तर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आमचे कडेन ना.
Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.